Thank you, Mr. Chair and members. The provisions in this amendment passed the Senate last year in this same form. It didn't survive a conference committee, but they accomplished several purposes in terms of lifting some of the reporting requirements on homeschool families, which also relieves the superintendents and administrators and other entities that are affected by these reports from some workload. And in exchange for that, also, the homeschool families have given up their access to the state textbook aid. And that it will now be available to schools that have at least 15 students. That is the mechanism in here that changes that. Homeschool families would bring requests for several children, all kinds of books. There was a lot of requirements of the school to order these books, and they became in their possession. So this is a relief to the school districts. It adds some over $400,000 a year to the general fund. And so I think that it is a very valuable thing. It has been signed off. It's agreed to by the superintendents at Minnesota, the motor vehicle services, and I believe the county attorneys are okay because it affects different levels of reporting. It does relieve none of the record keeping that the families have to provide that are and the reports that are needed as to significant times that they are important to have on record. So it lightens the load all the way around, and I think it's a win-win, and I hope that you will support it once again and put it on this bill.